Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Platinum. It does have the LED headlight surrounds, fog lights, tow hooks up front, alloy wheels. This will be power deploying running boards. It's four-wheel drive. So it does have a tailgate step and a bed cover and spray on bed liner. I'll go ahead and put this step down. This one does have the EcoBoost engine, tow package, power sliding back window. That is running smooth, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. All right, there's a keyless entry. I use that all the time on my F-150. So it does have the platinum badging, and these rear seats are heated, and it also has a 110 back here. And it does have dual panoramic sunroofs. Let's see. We've got 3 driver presets. Go ahead and give a shot of this VIN. All right, as we look down here, you'll see that it has 18,309 miles on this vehicle. Your chip computer, your cruise control, which in this model will be adaptive cruise. Let's see, and then you got your stereo controls, your push to talk, push button start, 2 and 4-wheel drive, trailering controls are both right here. Your shift, your Ford Select shift, and your phone port down here with 2 USB ports, and your key fob, cup holders, additional stowage, and power supplies down there. And then you also have a 110 right here, and your controls for your panoramic sunroof are up here. So we'll go ahead and close that up. Push the button once and it will close that much. Push it a second time and it'll close the rest of the way. So we'll be able to see this a little bit better. Okay, so right now, you see that it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, and you can bounce over to your climate control. There's your phone, navigation as well. There we go, and your other apps. And that about wraps it up. This F-150 Platinum on the interior. All right. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front driver's side. That also resulted in some damage in the rear center. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.